Hello and welcome to the Midpoint Library System. My name is Aubrey and I'm a library specialist here. Today we'll be going over one of our research databases, the Chilton Library. To access Chilton, you'll go to the midpointlibrary.org site and click under e-resources, research databases. Now under research databases, you can browse many of our databases here, either by topic or alphabetically. In this case, the Chilton Library is an auto repair database, so we'll go underneath there, under auto repair there. And it's the only database under that option, that tab. And each database also has a small description. In this case, Chilton Library. Auto repair information including repair procedures, wiring diagrams, maintenance tables, diagnostic trouble codes, and ASE test prep. So we'll go under Chilton Library. Now here I'm accessing the database here at the library, but if you're accessing at home, you'll need to have your library barcode ready and your PIN number. And once you type those in, you'll also get this front page as well. And in here, we just have a few tabs available and the vehicle selector, which is very, very simple to use. I will be putting in my car as an example. So you'll select the year of your vehicle, and mine is a 2015. You'll select the make, which is a Ford, and you'll select the model. And in my case, it's a Fiesta. And then you'll hit select. And that'll bring you to the index of your vehicle. And here it's just a short list of repair, maintenance, labor estimation, bulletins, and recalls. You can also access them up here access them up here at the top of the page under tabs. In this case, I'm going to go under repair. I recently had to fix my brakes. And here it gives you more tiers to explore, more tabs, such as the chassis electrical, engine electrical, fuel system, suspension. Because I had an issue with my brakes, we'll explore underneath that tab. And then that breaks it down even further. Brake disc machining, component bleeding, front disc brakes, parking brake. In this case, let's go underneath brake system inspection. And here it gives you just information on different parts of the brakes to inspect. And Chilton Library is chock full of information, as you can see. Very user-friendly. Anyone from a beginner on cars to an expert can use it. And as you can see, Chilton's Library breaks down the search in tiers. And you can always go back to the previous tier, either through here on the left or through here. And like I said, those tabs up at the top. If you haven't found what you were looking for, or like I said, start again from scratch by either selecting home or select vehicle. Up at the top here, in this case, let's see. This one didn't really have what I was looking for, so let's go into the specifications. Okay, and again, it gives you more information about the specifications about your make and model. Very handy. And well, let's see. Not seeing anything there, so let's go back. Let's try diagnosis and testing. And here it gives you conditions and possible sources, problems that you may be seeing with your car, or warnings, or things that aren't just going right, and then it gives you possible sources and then actions that you can take. Again, Chilton Database is full of information. If you find that repair wasn't what you're looking for, maybe you're looking for maintenance. Let's hit that at the top. And here it gives you another filter to input information, like submodel, liters. And then it even automatically fills some of the information. Mine's a sedan, standard and normal. And in here it gives you your 10,000 mile service under normal conditions and more recommendations. Let's go under bulletins and recalls. And here it gives you a list of bulletins and recalls, and it looks like you can listen to it as well, or read it. Gives you the page for it. It doesn't look like I've had anything for a while for my vehicle, which I can't say is a bad thing. Chilton's Library also provides the ASC test prep quizzes. For those that want their automated service excellence certification, this is a good resource for you to have. You can also explore your local library or other libraries in your area that may have books on quizzes and such to prepare you for your test. We'll go back to the home page. And as long as you're logged in, like here, you can see that you can log out. It'll keep your current vehicle saved. So if you forget to log in or log out after you're done with your session, and you log in, you have to click on the database again next time you're on your computer, it will have it saved. When you're accessing the database at home. Of course, that won't happen at the library, as when you log off at the computers at the library, it erases the data that and as you can see, it has my vehicle saved up here at your current vehicle. As long as you, and as you can see, the database remembers me and even remembers the vehicle that I was looking at. So if you're accessing this at home and you exit out of the database and go back in, it should remember you unless you hit log out. Now, of course, I won't do that when you're accessing it at the library, as information is deleted when you log off the computers. But accessing at home, it's fairly handy that it would remember your car in case you need to do a quicker search than needing to log in. As I said, this database is user-friendly, but if you have any questions about it, feel free to call the Midpoint Library. We have librarians that will be happy to answer any questions, or you can come in person and we can happily walk you through it on one of our computers. I want to thank you for watching this video. Again, my name is Aubrey and I hope you have a good day.